carnivore arrives with dinner in hand. He prepares by putting on an apron and donning a beautiful towel. Next, he grabs the ingredients for seasoning. But first, he must set the pan on the stovetop. He turns it to high heat. Next, he begins to unravel his dinner to reveal a beautiful beef ribeye. He heavily salts this ribeye on all sides. This will ensure the drying and a great sear. He also adds pepper very vigorously and gives it a nice pat for good luck. He then removes it and puts it next to the pan. Next, he returns to his cutting board to take care of the garlic. 2 cloves he begins to peel by attempting to not cut himself on the sharp end of his knife. Gives it a nice mash and begins to peel it. He will then also mash it just for kicks. This releases the Allison, not to be confused with Tracy. Once he is satisfied, he adds sesame oil to his pan. High smoking point, but he quickly realizes that his pan is too hot, and it instantly smokes the oil. After letting it cool, he decides it is ready to add the steak. He lets it sear on one side at 400 degrees. He flips his steak every 30 seconds, making sure to cover all sides to ensure the mild reaction. Contrary to popular belief, the one flip method is not necessarily the best. Anywhere between 30 seconds and a minute will ensure a nice, even cooking. Oh, that looks delicious. In the meantime, he will prepare his other ingredients. 2.5 tablespoons of butter, as well as some fresh fetched rosemary. Using a thermometer, he notices his steak is beyond temp. He quickly lowers the heat, adds the butter, the garlic, and the rosemary. He will now tilt the pan in order to baste the steak. This melts the butter and allows him to scoop it up and pour it onto the steak. He will do this many times for the next minute or two as the steak finishes cooking. Oh, you can smell it from here. Once he is satisfied, he removes the steak from the pan, including the rosemary and his garlic. For these are tasty treats, but maybe not the twigs. He sets it aside and covers it with aluminum foil for anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes. During that time, he takes pictures for Instagram. When he returns, he takes the steak and sets it on his cutting board and removes the aluminum foil to reveal the beautiful steak he has prepared. As our carnivore grabs his fork and knife, he begins to dig into his steak gleefully. Brings it to his mouth and tries it. He is satisfied, for this will quench his hunger. And that is how you cook a beef ribeye in the pan. Thank you for watching. This is Black Tie Kitchen.